If you like to go ages between hair washes, then this hairstyle is for you. I am on day 6 of not washing my hair, and you can tell how oily it is because it stays where I put it. I have put dry shampoo in my hair once over the 6 days, but I didn't put any in today, and because my hair is so oily, I really can't wear it down, so we're going with a headband. You can do this ponytail with any headband, but I do like a bigger headband. A, I just like how it looks, and B, it covers up more of your greasy hair. This next part, I'm going to tease my hair. You don't have to do this, but I just like the fullness that it gives, and it's just my personal preference, but you can go for a more slick look. And because I know I'm going to get the comments of, ew, why don't you just wash your hair? This video is not about why lots of people decide not to wash their hair. I can do that video, but there are a lot of reasons that people don't wash their hair every day and like to go a long time between hair washes. But even though my hair is oily, it doesn't smell, it's not gross, so let's just move on with the style. I pull it up into a reasonably high ponytail, tie that off, and I use my favorite fluffy ponytail hack where you separate the ponytail in half on the last tie around and just tie the hair tie around the bottom half of the ponytail. This is going to make it look like you have so much more hair when you have really fine, thinner hair like I do. This style looks cute. It's perfect if you're hanging around like me in your yoga pants and a tank top all day, and it just masks your oily hair, and you will look like you put effort into a cute hairstyle instead of being lazy and not washing your hair today. The best part about your hair not being freshly cleaned is it's actually pretty easy to work with when it's like this. It's going to stay in place when you manipulate it and not be flopping or flying all over the place. And there we go. That's the final look. I think it's pretty cute, and I probably will wash my hair tomorrow.